I'm going to show you how this Etsy shop is making thousands of dollars a month by selling candles. The best part is that once you set it up, it will run on autopilot for you. This Etsy shop sells candles just like this Christmas one. As you can see, they have a lot of different options. And you can see that their monthly revenue is $23,000. Keep in mind that that is revenue, so in order to calculate profit, you would have to understand how much they were spending on the products and anything else to run their business. We are going to start by going to Canva and creating a free account and searching for candle designs. Choose one that you like and be sure to customize it. Change the design up enough so that it is unique to you, and for this example, we'll want to add some Christmas items to it. Once you've got the design to where you'd like it, we're going to go ahead and click share and download a copy. Next, we'll head on over to Printify. This is a print-on-demand provider, so they will actually fulfill the orders for you. So I'm searching their catalog for Christmas candle, and I have a few options. On Printify, you can upload your design and create a mock-up. Next, we're going to take these mock-ups and upload them to our Etsy store. Then you'll want to be sure to connect your Printify and your Etsy accounts so that they are integrated and the orders are placed for you. Follow me for more ways to make money online. I share them here daily.